Hey Lenny, you look like you just found out that our coffee machine is broken.
Not funny, bro. Please tell me you have more than just cook sisters to solve my problem.
Yeah, of course. I also brought you a cup of coffee just to cheer you up.
Thanks, brother.
So tell me what's going on.
Well, remember I bought a house recently? And now I'm drowning in a sea of expenses.
But fear not. I'm here to guide you through the 7 hidden costs of home ownership. First up, we have the bond registration and transfer costs. Now, you will need attorneys to handle both these costs, and this can set you back anywhere from a few thousand rands to hundreds of thousands of rands, depending on the purchase price of your property.
And let's not forget those pesky deeds office fees. It's like paying a tax on your excitement for finally owning a home.
Absolutely. And don't forget, you also have the moving costs. I mean, hiring a bucky, buying boxes, fuel for the van, it all adds up. And faster than you can say, dude, where did my deposit go? A good rule of the thumb is to keep a decent budget for a local move.
Speaking of unexpected expenses, let's talk repairs and maintenance. Your new home may look perfect, but trust me, there's always that something that needs fixing. Leaking roofs, faulty wiring, the list goes on.
And those costs, it can range anywhere from a few hundred rands to thousands, depending if it's a minor or major repair.
Don't forget about utilities, ESCOM, municipality for rates and water, etc. They can be quite the expense each month.
Ish. In South Africa, the average household can expect to pay around 1.5 to 2,000 rand per month for utilities, and this can vary greatly depending on the usage and the location.
Security is another big one for me. You'll want to protect your investment and your family. Things like a security company, alarm systems, cameras, and even a cuddly guard dog.
Oh yes, a cuddly guard dog is definitely going to keep those burglars away because they're going to distract them with their cuteness.
Ah, so cute.
Moving on. And security systems can range anywhere from a couple of hundred to hundreds of thousands, just depending on whether you go with a fully fledged system or a basic system without armed response.
So Dhesi, that's only 6 costs, bro. What's the 7th one?
Right you are, Lenny. Lucky number 7 is home insurance. It's like a safety net for your biggest asset. You hope you never need it, but it's there to catch you if something goes wrong.
Awesome. Now let's check out this week's home hack.
Hey everybody, Dhesi here and Lenny with today's Bondzansi Home Hack of the day. Are you tired of load shedding leaving you in the dark? Here is a simple trick. Glow-in-the-dark tape.
Apply strips of glow-in-the-dark tape to key spots around your home, like light switches, door handles, and even stair edges. For an extra tip, keep a small flashlight in an easily accessible spot, like your kitchen drawer or your bedside table. Or, if you like me, just duct tape it to your co-host mount. And there you have it. With glow-in-the-dark tape and a handy flashlight, you can handle load shedding like a pro and have a little fun along the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep it Bondzansi. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the hidden costs of home ownership? Don't navigate this journey alone.
Contact Bondzansi today for expert advice and a free consultation. We will help you make informed decisions and find a dream home that fits your budget without any nasty surprises.
So, subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and see you soon, Mzansi.